Hello and thanks for checking out my video. In today's video I am going to be talking about lead generation made simple goes viral. My name is Richard Murphy and I am from New Zealand, so for now just sit back, relax, and get ready to start living the life of your dreams. Enjoy the video. For more information about lead generation made simple goes viral, head over to my website and sign up for my weekly newsletter. For signing up today you get my free ebook about lead generation for beginners. The link to my website is in the description box. So don't delay, sign up today. How lead generation made simple goes viral. Lead generation made simple goes viral. The trend of using these methods to generate leads online has become a trend of today. What could be easier for any company of any size to do, especially with a small budget? If you are able to purchase leads for marketing or sales online, it will save you time and money. Unfortunately, we cannot trust all the free websites out there, as many of them tend to disappear after they have collected data for the site owners. Not only that, but if you leave the database of websites open, they will continue to collect data for other websites, which means they are simply using your information. The best approach is to start right away. You will not be able to control what happens to your leads, but you can control how you sell them and how you deliver your marketing material. You can also easily market your lead generation made simple products and services right away online. Today's lead generation is done through cell phone providers and local businesses. Local businesses offer the ability to do one-on-one marketing so that you can personalize your customer base. This allows you to start your own lead generation without having to worry about paying for a pay-per-lead program. This eliminates the issue of needing to educate a large number of people about a marketing or sales opportunity. By using your own lead generation and selling method, you can get yourself in front of as many people as possible, instead of spending money. And the more people you can reach will guarantee that you will have an unlimited number of leads and customers. If you want to win the advantage, you need to understand the situation. The big name and popular companies will cost thousands of dollars a month to be listed with. These companies have many leads and can hire a team of salespeople to reach out to people and sell their products. Make no mistake about it, they will spend thousands of dollars a month in order to make their business a success. If they are willing to pay you to reach out to their customers, it means that they do not believe that you will be able to sell the product and make them a profit. Your business can become successful if you use your own lead generation and selling methods. Many times companies will go to expensive training classes and hire a sales team, but sometimes you can get your information and marketing material online for free. Internet marketing is fast becoming a necessity in today's world. The average person has just as much income as the average person in the past, and they need to take control of their business. If you are determined to use your own strategy to generate leads, then you have the resources needed to do it. You do not have to pay anyone to help you. Lead generation made simple goes viral. If you want to get more sales, then you have to have some sort of lead generation made a simple system that will help you accomplish your goal. Having a system is much better than having no system at all. There are many different ways that you can go about this. You can buy software or you can spend a lot of money on advertising. Whichever route you choose, you still need a system that is going to help you grow your business. If you do not have a system, you may as well get rid of the idea of doing business, because it will be very hard to make any type of money. There are things that you can do, but if you are not doing them right, then you will not be able to do well. You do not need to have thousands of dollars to have a successful business. This is why most people do not succeed. When you have to spend tons of money on advertising, you may as well stop because you will never reach the goals that you want to achieve. You need to be doing something right if you want to make money in the business. This is why a system that will help you get the results that you want is so important. One of the best systems out there is one that is made simple goes viral. This is a free system that is going to help you reach all of your goals. You are going to see that with this system you will learn what the person that you are trying to get in your business is doing. This is going to help you not only to sell more products, but you will also be able to do so with less stress and more money in your pocket. Thanks for watching my video about lead generation made simple goes viral. If you got value from watching my video, hit the subscribe button below this video. Well, that's about all from me. This is Richard Murphy from New Zealand signing off until my next video.